Whoops. You gotta do your exercise first. You trust Blaze to figure it out. Oh, are we mad?
Todd told me that if I ever showed up late to work again, I'd better bring iced coffee, and I'm late, and here's my penance. That was smart of you to
What are you doing, little guy? Good morning. Oh, good baby. Good baby. That's your brother. Uh-oh. There you are. There you are. Yeah. Good. Oh, yeah, just shove him out of the way, huh? Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Hi, handsome. Yeah. Whoop, did I? Where are you going? Careful. Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, handsome. Whoop. Peekaboo. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, well, here comes the mean part. Here comes the mean part. Over you go. Time to keep moving. Oh. Yep, you too. Mean part. Back you go. Oh. Oh, are we mad? Are we hungry? What you doing over there? Oof. Good. There's nothing up there. Oh, clunk. Come on. Yeah. Good. Come on. Keep moving. There. Whoop. Okay. Good boy. Climb, 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 climb. Yay. Whoa. Hi, little guy. Oh, over we go. Yeah. All right. I'll be nice. Are you hungry? Did you get some exercise? Did we get some exercise? Are we hungry now? You ready? All right, hang on.